What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Belle Goldhand from Brawl Stars. Let's begin in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we're going to start on the left side, start from the top of that circle. So we're going to bring this all the way down towards the bottom. And then back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of the circle. We'll bring this down towards the same height. Go around and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to go back and trace the left eye around the outside. Starting from the very top, we're going to step up and leave an even space gap all the way around towards the bottom. And pull that up along the inside and then back up towards the top. Let's draw a small circle tucked in along the bottom left side. Starting up here, going all the way around and then back up. Now I'm going to go back to the inside and draw two ovals for the pupil. Starting on the inside at the very top, come down towards the bottom, and then back up. Now I'm going to line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Let's fill the pupils in black. Let's go over towards the right side and draw on the eyebrow. I'm going to curve this in and then up. Let's line this up on the left side, curve this down and out. Going back to the right, angle down and out. Angle this up and out towards the top. And then on the left side, we're just going to angle this down and out. And then from the outside, we're just going to curve the brow coming down and in on top of the eye. And we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now we want to thicken up the lash along the top of the right eye. Starting from the inside, just going to taper this around and then down. Angle up and out. Pull that back in toward the side of the eye. And we'll fill the lash in black. Now we're going to line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw on the nose. Let's start on the left, curve this down and then up. And then we'll move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting on the left, curve this out, going up a little bit higher on the right. Let's round out the side of the mouth. Going this around and then in. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Coming down and then up. Now you want to separate the teeth. On the top left, step in, draw a straight line coming down, and we'll fill in the left side. Go to the center, draw another straight line coming down, move over towards the right. I'm just going to angle this down and out towards the bottom. Let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, we're going to step out, draw a half circle. Coming down, just going to pull that in underneath the mouth, go out, and then up on the right side. Now I move up to the top of the head and draw on the hair. Starting right in the middle, let's start with a point. From here we're going to curve this out and then up towards the left. Go back to the center, go out and up on the right. Let's close off the top with a curve. Starting on the left side, go up in the middle, and then bend that back down. Let's draw the side of the hair. Starting from the top left, draw a straight line going out, and we'll line this up on the right. Now going back to the left side, we're just going to curve the hair going out, come down, and then in towards the middle. And do the same thing on the right, going out, up, and then bending that in. And we'll tuck the side of the head coming in underneath the hair. We'll start back on the left, going up, and then bending that in. Let's line this up on the right. Going out and then down. And now close off the side of the head. Starting on the left, curve the hair going out, down, and then in toward the side of the head. And then line this up on the right. Let's tuck the ears in behind the side of the head. Starting on the left, just curve this out, and then bending that back in. Line this up on the right, going out and then in. Let's add a small 4-pointed star on the top right side of the head. Just going to start at the very top, come down an angle, come down and in, go back up to the top, come down towards the right, and then go out. Now I'm just going to pull that back in towards the middle, and we'll pull this down toward a bottom point. I'm also going to add a scar on the bottom right chin, going up with a straight line, and then taper that back down. We'll come back and finish off the hair after you've drawn in the body. Let's start with the gun. Starting directly underneath the chin, we step down, draw a straight line going across, go straight down the sides, and we'll close off the bottom. And we'll draw the side of the scope. From the top left corner, step out, come down, go out along the top and bottom, close off to the end. Now from the top, we're going to step down, draw one line coming in, and then from the bottom we'll step up and draw another line. Let's draw the right side of the scope. From the top corner, step out, go straight down. Now from the top, we draw a straight line going out towards the end, and then from the bottom, we're just going to go halfway, connect the top and bottom with a straight angled line. Now we're going to do the same thing we did on the left. Just going to connect the ends towards the center. Now with the scope in place, we're going to move over and draw the left arm wrapped around the side. Starting underneath the head, just going to curve the arm going out, and then we'll bend that in. Let's round out the cuff, going up and in towards the inside of the wrist. Let's curve the inside of the arm, going up and then out. Now you want to place the hand on top of the gun. Let's start from the inside of the wrist, starting with the thumb, coming in and then down. Round out the thumb and then pull that back up. Now we're going to draw 3 fingers. Come down and in, round up the finger, go out and then back up. Now I'm going to layer 2 more fingers in behind. Starting from the bottom, come down and then up, go to the side, go out and up towards the outside of the wrist. Now with that arm in place, we're going to draw the center of the gun. From the bottom corner of the scope, curve this down and then out in behind the hand. And then from the right corner, draw a straight line going out, curve in and out, pull this in and then down towards the bottom. Now I'm just going to pull this straight in behind the hand. Now I'm going to trace this area along the inside, starting from the thumb, curve up toward the top, go out, work our way down towards the bottom, and then pull that back in towards the hand. Now I'm going to work our way over towards the right side. Starting from the top corner, step down, draw a straight line going out. From the bottom we'll step up. I'm just going to line this up on the top, close this off with a straight line. And then from the top, add a small circle. Now we're going to curl 3 fingers around the bottom of the gun. Starting from the bottom corner, and draw an oval, coming around, up, and then back down. Go to the bottom, draw another one tucked in behind, and then we'll do that one more time. Let's go back up to the top, step down, draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right. And then from the bottom, we're going to step up, go to the outside finger, just line this up on the outside, and then we'll overlap a line. Stepping up, draw a straight line coming down. And then from the top and bottom, we're going to extend this all the way out towards the right. Close off the end with a straight line. Now we're going to move in and draw a small half circle. Let's add those holes along the end of the gun. From the top corners, draw a small circle. And then from the bottom corners, we're going to do that again. And then right in the center, we'll add one more. Now I'm going to move back up and draw the outside of the right arm. Starting underneath the head, just going to curve this out and bend that down in behind the gun, aiming towards the outside finger. And then we'll go back in and draw the side of the body. Let's start on the left side, curve the body going out and then down in behind the arm. Go to the right, going out and down in behind the scope. Continue down towards the bottom. Now we draw the inside edge of the suspenders. Stepping in, just going to draw that same curve coming down. Do the same thing on the right. I'm also going to draw the top of the necktie in between the chin and the gun. So stepping out, angle down and in towards the center. Let's finish off the gun. We're going to start underneath the hand. Just going to curve this down and then out. Go straight up towards the top. And we'll pull that back in towards the arm. And I'll add a trim along the outside. From the top corner, step in, curve around, and then in. Go back out, and then bend that in towards the bottom. Let's add the trigger underneath the index finger. Curve down and out. Taper that back up. And I'm going to step over, draw a straight line coming down, go straight across, and then pull that up underneath the hand. Now I want to trace this along the outside. So we're going to step out, coming down, across, and then up. Let's go back to that bottom corner, curve down, and then out. Flatten off the end with a straight angled line. And we'll follow that same curve going back up underneath the gun. And we'll trace these curves along the inside, starting with the left, and then the right. And we'll add a few lines along the inside, just going across from top to bottom. Now from here we're going to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's start right in the middle with a curve, going up and then down. Leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up on both sides. And then we'll curl the tip of the shoe. Starting back on the left, go out and then up. Let's round out the tip of the shoe. Coming down and then up on the inside. And then we'll draw the edge of the cuff, coming back down and up on the inside. Let's draw the outside of the leg going up underneath the gun. I'm going to start from this point, go straight up, and then bend that in. And then going back down towards the bottom, we're going to step up, draw the top edge of the cuff. Now we're going to layer the coat in behind the body. Let's start from the top of the shoulder, go out, and then bend that down on both sides. And then from here, draw a straight line coming down in behind the body, and then go straight down on the right side. Now we're going to continue that line coming down along the bottom, on the left side, line up the right. Just going to match this up, coming down towards the same height, pull that back in towards the side of the leg. And then from the bottom we'll step up, draw a straight line, step up, and draw that again. And then we'll line up the bottom on the inside, step up, draw another line going across. Now that we complete the body, let's finish off the hair. We'll start underneath the left ear, curve the hair coming down and then out towards the side. Pull the hair coming back down and then in toward the left and right side. And that's pretty much it. There's Belle Goldhand from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.